In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wayfair affiliate account. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or someone just starting to explore the exciting world of affiliate marketing, setting up a Wayfair affiliate account can be a great advantage. It provides you with a platform to earn commissions by promoting the home goods and furnishings products offered by Wayfair. Let's dive right into the steps on how you can get started. First, you'll need to go to the Wayfair Creator Program. You can do this by typing the address into your browser or simply searching for the Wayfair Creator Program online. This program is designed specifically for influencers and affiliate marketers who are interested in partnering with Wayfair. Once you're on the page, you'll see a welcoming interface, which will guide you through the process of becoming a Wayfair influencer. Next, you'll be required to input your email address. This is an essential step because your email will be used for all communications related to your affiliate account and is crucial for account recovery should you need it. Make sure you use an email that you regularly check to ensure that you don't miss out on any important notifications or updates from Wayfair. After you've entered your email, it's time to create a password for your account. Select a strong and secure password that you can remember easily but is difficult for others to guess. It's always a good idea to include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance the security of your password. Once you've sorted out your email and password, the next step is to agree to their privacy policy and the creator program terms. Take a moment to read through these documents to understand the expectations and responsibilities that come with being a Wayfair affiliate. Checking this box signifies that you accept the terms and conditions stipulated by Wayfair, which is a necessary step before you can proceed. With all that in place, you're ready to click on the Sign Up button. This will officially enroll you in the Wayfair Creator Program and grant you access to the suite of tools and resources available to affiliates. Alternatively, if you prefer a more streamlined sign-up process, you have the option to register using your Google or Facebook account. This method links your Wayfair account to your chosen social media account, making logins in the future quicker and simpler. And there you have it. You now know how to set up a Wayfair affiliate account. Once you're all set up, don't forget to explore the platform, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, and start sharing those amazing Wayfair products with your audience to begin earning those commissions. Thank you for watching, and happy affiliate marketing.